I've already taught you how to make your own physics report. Now I will do the same with the drag detector. Open View tab, click on Properties, search. Actually, first click also on Explorer, then add on your part a drag detector like this one, which I will redo. Here, search drag detector, and then in physics, actually in drag style, put translate view plane, response style physical, don't change these, everybody. Copy what I do, 30, and then change this 10 million to actually 100 million, like that. And when you spawn in game, you can drag this. See that? This physics? I'll do first person. Cool, right? I will zoom out and do it like this. Yeah, so that's it. I'll continue making this, and then you can rename this the physical drag detector or any name. You actually don't really have to do this, it's optional. But like and subscribe if you like the video. Liking means that you're supporting me with my videos and that someone is watching me, and I'm not doing this like for no reason. Like and subscribe and comment what you like best about this video. Bye.